The Smart Garden Revolution 2025 Trends for a Thriving Vegetable Garden. The concept of the smart garden has evolved dramatically in recent years, and 2025 is shaping up to be a year where automation, sustainability, and small space efficiency redefine how we grow food at home. From AI-assisted planting to climate-adaptive vegetables, the modern garden is no longer just about soil and water. It's about precision, data, and environmentally conscious choices. This evolution makes it easier than ever for even novice gardeners to produce an abundance of fresh vegetables without a massive backyard or professional experience. Whether you're on a balcony, in a tiny yard, or managing a compact urban plot, these innovations make the dream of a flourishing vegetable garden fully accessible. Microclimate mapping is becoming an essential practice for home. With affordable sensors and AI-driven apps, you can now identify the hottest, coolest, driest, and most humid spots in your gardening area, down to the square foot. These insights let you place crops where they'll thrive best: tomatoes in the sunniest corners, leafy greens in partially shaded zones, and moisture-loving herbs where water collects. This practice has led to drastically improved yields and healthier plants. Users are creating mini zones even in small gardens, essentially customizing the environment for each plant based on precise data instead of general assumptions. It's a radical shift from traditional planting layouts, and one that turns trial and error into a strategic plan. The popularity of vertical gardens and modular beds continues to rise, offering a powerful solution for limited space and aesthetic integration. Stackable beds, wall-mounted grow panels, and tiered container systems are now widely available and are built to be both visually appealing and highly functional. These vertical systems are often paired with self-watering setups using capillary mats or gravity-fed drip systems, making maintenance minimal. The modular aspect means you can redesign your garden layout seasonally or scale it up as your confidence grows. In urban environments, vertical gardening has become a cultural statement, turning bare walls and fences into living, edible artworks that are as nutritious as they are beautiful. Companion planting has received a 2025 tech update thanks to AI-driven garden planning tools that calculate not just compatibility, but also time-based planting strategies. These tools factor in plant growth stages, root competition, pest repulsion, and nutrient cycles, creating dynamic blueprints for what to plant next to what and when. Gardeners are now mixing fast growers like radishes with slow developers like carrots, or using nitrogen fixers like peas to prepare soil for demanding crops like corn. Apps now generate rotating companion waves, where each wave of plants sets up the next. This approach is cutting down on fertilizer use, increasing biodiversity, and making gardens more resilient against pests, all while producing consistently bountiful harvests. Water management is undergoing a quiet revolution. Climate change has made rainfall less predictable, so gardeners are turning to closed-loop irrigation systems that reuse graywater, solar-powered pumps that time watering based on weather forecasts, and smart soil sensors that signal exactly when and how much to water. In 2025, one of the most effective trends. This method dramatically reduces water usage and delivers moisture right to the root zone. It's a marriage of ancient wisdom and futuristic precision that is gaining widespread traction among eco-conscious gardeners.